Okay, welcome back, students. So this is a 12th program. So this is once again, it is a EJB application that demonstrate MDB. What is MDB? It is a message driven bean with the business logic appropriated with the business logic. So there is a step is there. So same type, that is a previous 11th program is same type. And also I have to run this program. The video will be running, so you can easily find out how to configure this program to execute in the EJB application. So first we can go for the service. So in the service we can select the Glassfish as a server 3.1 and click the right click and view your admin consoling. So when you and this consoling, we can see that the connection favorite as a new, you should click it and give the pool name and the what type of resource type you are using, and click on the destination resource. So in the destination resource, once again, a pop-up menu will arise, that is the new, and give the JNDI name, that is the Java naming and directory interface name. I can using JMS or DST. And once again, you can set the resource to type and go to the file. Once you resource type and the JNDI is over, you can minimize that window and go to the file and take the new project and select the JEE enterprise, and next JEE version, select that is the 5, that is a EE 5. Then check create the EJB module in the web application and finish the EJB module. And right click on the EJB module, select the new MDB, that is a message driven bean, and given the EJB name is my bean, that is the name of the EJB bean. And you can select the package name and select the server destination as a JMS or DST destination, and can type you the following code method on the message, that is the text message is equal to TMSG equal to null. If the TMSG is equal to text message of message, so whatever you enter the message, that should be displayed. So that should be in the client side. So because we have to using the MDB, that is we can pass the server to the client side, that is a message will pass to the in the web browser. So that should be displayed on the system.out.println or tmsd. Whatever you enter in the TMS is equal to text message, that should be displayed on the output will be displayed. And the left click, if is an error, should be indicated, and select the surrounded statement by using the try catch statement, that is a try catch for module is there. So this is a index, that is a JPG JSP page we have to return, that is a forum action equal to new servlet, and the text icon table bar is equal to 1, thread, table row, table heading, and you can enter the message. Input type is equal to text, and message will be the name of the text with the name as MSG, and value is null. So this is a simple forum action method we have to write in the HTML. And finally, we have to click the warp module and the new servlet, and write the servlet name and package name and finish it. So this is a process. So you can directly go to this video, so you can easily understand.
Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to write
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅನೂಪ್?
Yes, sir.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
So for
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
program, I will be using EJB project that will have the message driven thing and the client project. So through the client, we will be sending one message to the message driven thing, and we will check if it is getting that particular message or not. Hence, we will try to print it in console. So first, we will go to file, then new. Like after new, we have to run others. I will run others over here, and I will select the KGB project. Okay. Click on next. And I will give it giving it a name like MDB12. Click on next. Next. Finish. So in the page, you want to press it. No, I don't want this. So this is our project, and under this EJB module, we need to create the message driven. So I will go to others. Under this EJB, I'm having this message driven bin option. So you need to select this. Click here. Give it a package name. Like let it be X, Y, and Z. Class name I will give as MDB. Superclass don't want destination name. It is required. So give it a name like Q1. Just see that the destination type is Q only. Okay. Then click on next. Finish. We'll get this code. Just remove these comments and this constructor. It's not required. This on message method is something that will be triggered each time the client sends message. Okay. So under this method only we will put our code. So start with try catch block so that if any error occurs, then we will get to know what is it. And here I have something like it will be receiving the message and typecast it to text message, and this is the object. So using this object we will try to get the text. So the method is msg like the object dot get text. What it will do, it will get you the text. It will retrieve the text what the client is sending. So if the client is something like hello, so when this particular message when being running in Glassfish server in the console, it will print something like MDB got message. After that, hello. Means whatever the client is sending, this particular method will retrieve that and print it in console. Okay. But as I can see over here, and you can also see like there is some error. So I need to import this, like import text message. Click here. It's automatically added over here. Save. So here I need to map, like I need to configure the JMS resources. Okay. So first I will try to run this particular project as like web application in the Glassfish server. So what I will do, I'll click here MDB12. This is my project. I will click on run as, then run on server. The Glassfish selected. I will click on next. Okay, configured. Then let's see if there is any error or something like that. So now I will show you how to configure the JMS resources. So right after starting the server, you need to open the page like it will be local host, but with port 4. Here we have our class-based console. So in this particular console, we need to look for the resource, and under the resource, we have JMS resources. Okay. So in the JMS resource, I will first set the connection factory, then the destination resource. So I will set the connection factory as and click new. It's already actually I did it earlier also. So it is GF connection factory, and I will select this Q connection factory. Just check if this checkbox is selected, then press OK. Once it is done, you will see it in the list like JMS connection factories. So here the number of connection factories will be listed, what you have added. Now I will click on this destination resource and I will add a new resource. So the name I want to give is Q1 because in the program also I have used the same name. I will copy it and get the physical destination name same. Here I will select the topic, like instead of topic it will be Q, the resource type, and description. I don't want to give anything. This need to be enabled and then click on OK. So that's it. The JMS resource configuration. Now I will show you how to create the client project file, the new, then click this Java project, give it a name. Like in my case, I will be giving like DB dual client. I'll click on next. Okay. The library, I will try to add the jar files at the start only. You can do it later on also using that build path from properties and build path and then adding those jar files. So at the beginning only I'm adding those files. Finish. So here I'm having the client project also to open it. And under this SRC, I'll be creating a class. Class will be having name like MDB and this public static void name. Finish. And as you can see that I'm having the main function over here for the string. So under this, I'll be having one try catch block, and within that try catch block, I will write the code. Okay. This is it. So you can see, like for the Q connection factory, it is looking for the GF connection factory. What we have set over there in the GlassWorks console, same the destination path, what we have set in both the JMS resources, like destination, and the same name is in the program, like the message driven build program, right? So there are few errors because we have not imported particular libraries. So import. Here I have imported the necessary libraries. Because of that, all the error it's done. Okay, and it's working fine. Like no error is there, as you can see. Yeah, nothing is there. So now I will try to execute this. It will be run as a Java application. So let's see. For a few seconds, like it will take some time. to compile and then execute. So don't get confused because this is running this MDB12. This is the EJB project which is having the message driven bin. This is having its own console, and this MDB12 client is running separately, so it is having a different console. Okay, so we need to switch between the two consoles to see like what's going on. So for this, like for MDB12 client, we have this console, right? And it is showing the message sent. So we have to check it whether the message driven being has received that particular message or not, right? So what we will do, we will go over here and see the MDB12, like the message driven being program, is running on Glassfish. So I will select here, and this is the message, right? Hi from client. Hi from client. MDB got message. So if we open the program, like MDB got message, and then it should show the rest of the text that we have passed it for today. Thank you.
Hello.
Sir.
Okay, these are the two programs I will upload in the YouTube channel. So you can see a step-by-step process how to demonstrate the message driven bin from client to server. Okay. So please everyone show in the YouTube channel. Don't miss it. Okay. Okay, I can stop here. I think the 13th program is not, I think it is very tricky. So I can wind up this lab session. So maybe out of 13, we have to execute 12 programs. So 11th and 12th is some tricky is there. So don't worry about that one. So just you can execute this program in your laptop. So I think the first 10 problem will be important for the lab session. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.